So this is the room right now. Before, it's pretty empty, and I obviously don't need two beds, so I'm gonna be moving. Probably I'm gonna be taking one bed down. I'm gonna be moving some of the space over, and then I don't know how I'm gonna set things up yet. We'll see. In all honesty, there's a lot of stuff. There's a lot of different ways I could do this, but I'm excited to see what it looks like. So. Alright guys, so this is how I decided to set everything up. Right here is my 32-inch 1080p TV, and you probably already saw it in a couple of videos. And then I have my two monitors here, and they both work. And so what I was planning to do was I was going to get another one of this Dell FreeSync monitor right here, and then I was going to have a VESA stand or whatever that's called. And then I was going to have two of them in dual monitor setup. And although this monitor is pretty inexpensive for what it's worth, it's a FreeSync monitor with a pretty good range, 1080p, nice vibrant colors, and a big screen. It's only about $150. It just wasn't in my budget at the time, so I'm using this 21-inch AOC monitor, and it works just fine. And then I have my Logitech C920 HD webcam, which I will probably use for streaming. I have my Velocifier T11 mechanical keyboard. It's not cherry, but as you can see, it's mechanical. Cheap switches. I have this really crappy Dell mouse, which in all honesty, I should have replaced this by now because I can get a much better mouse for like 20 bucks or less on Amazon or pretty much any site, but I haven't yet, and I'm not sure why. These are my headphones. They're not very good, but I only got them for about 20 bucks, so I can't complain much. This is my pride and joy. My beautiful computer has the R7-1700, overclocks at 3.9 gigahertz, 16 gigabytes of DDR4 memory at 3200 megahertz, and it has the RX480 8 gigabyte reference, which I'm planning on putting underwater. I'm not sure. We'll see how that goes. I have my blue snowball microphone there. So that is basically the setup here. So what I was planning to do was I was planning on putting posters up here because it's kind of bare, but I'm not sure if I'm going to do that. I might actually put posters right here instead because it's pretty bare. So I already have this, which is basically a newspaper article about me from my football days. My mom framed it. So I'm going to get some magic tape and hang it up there. And then I have two posters coming, which will be great. And then I also have, I have this thingy. I'm going to set it right here. I have this thing that I won from my fraternity for being the youngest in the fraternity. Yeah, it's pretty much a participation award, but I mean, it's pretty cool nonetheless. And I was going to hang this up, but because I'm underage and because I am a student staff member, by Georgia Tech Housing, I can't put it up. So I can't show that, unfortunately, even though I really, really wanted to. And then this is my other space. So this is where the camera goes, and that's my lighting. And basically, I'm just storing it right there, but I'm going to be recording in this direction, so my head will be like here. This will be my head, like my body. The rest of my body would be down here, but my head will be right here. And I'm gonna, I'm planning on also getting lights. I've already ordered them and they've already arrived, but I just haven't picked them up because it's kind of far away. So, lights right here, lights right there. They're gonna be, programmable. So they're gonna be, able to change color depending on what I have set on the remote. And then this is just a desk. I'm not really using it for anything much. It's just a desk. I have my bed up here, and then I have my two closets with some food, Cheerios, they're clutch. And then, my clothes go here. Actually, in here, if you follow me on Twitter, then you probably saw this. This is all of my my computer components, which I'm planning on selling a few of them, but we'll see when that is. I'm not exactly sure when I'll have time to do that because I've been working about 10 hours a day, which does take a toll on you. So that's pretty much that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for now. Like I mentioned, I am planning on getting the lights and getting the posters and kind of adding some kind of personality to this place, considering a rug. But if you guys have any suggestions as to what I should do, because I'm pretty bad with home decor and decoration. Sorry for that if you can see that. That right there is dirty clothes. Not dirty clothes, clean clothes. I'm going to clean that up and fold them. But yeah, if you have any suggestions, just let me know. Comment down below. And that's pretty much it for this update. Thanks.